Hey, what's up guys, we're back with the latest tech scoop. Today we'll be taking a look at Samsung's much needed change that could return for the S22 lineup, under display camera status for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, Samsung X AMD beating Snapdragon 895, and more crazy news. Let's get right into it. So as we know, the performance of the AMD Exynos chips so far is pretty good. It's nowhere near to its final stage, but still, it's beating all the competitors in the high performance mode. And the latest victim for that is the next gen Exynos 730 GPU that we'll be seeing inside the Snapdragon 895. According to this source on Weibo, this AMD Exynos chip beats Snapdragon 730 GPU in high performance mode. Very positive stuff for the Samsung's next big Exynos chip. Now the big concern right now is, can it actually keep up this performance for a longer period of time? You know, thermal throttling is a big concern, and we've also heard that performance drops in longer period of testing. So in order to fix this problem, Samsung is considering bringing back the liquid cooling for their smartphones in 2022. According to sources in supply chain, liquid cooling is considered for the 2022 Galaxy flagship smartphones. Because of 5G and in order to cut the cost of their smartphones, many brands have kind of went easy on the cooling solution of their smartphones. So this could change because Samsung is seriously considering bringing back the liquid cooling system for the Galaxy S22 lineup. And not to forget, Samsung recently also filed trademark for terms like fan mode, which could be something related to Samsung's next big flagship series in order to cool everything. Again, the S22 family is many months away, so Samsung still has a lot of time to think and implement their decisions. Now let's talk about the state of the under-display camera. In the current stage, we have these kind of possibilities. The picture A, which shows off a little bit of pattern for the under-display camera, but it promises good selfie quality and good portrait image performance. And then image B, which has completely transparent under-display camera, which you can't see at all, but at the same time, it doesn't give you the best image quality. Personally, I would go for the solution number A, which is something that Samsung could also implement on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Recently, ZTE has officially announced that their upcoming second generation under-display camera will provide pixel density that can reach 400 ppi, which is pretty powerful according to Universe. And this might be the upcoming BOE panel with the under-display camera. And according to BOE's trailer, this shows that it will have a decent selfie performance. I'm not sure what they mean by decent, if it's on par with the latest flagship selfie cameras or not, but things are looking promising, and this could be the best under-display camera solution on any smartphone in 2021. This actually gives me a bit of a hope for the S22 family. Maybe Samsung still can find a solution for the under-display camera for the upcoming S22 Ultra. Now last but not the least, we have the biggest unpacked leak ever. According to Leaks on Twitter, this is pretty much what Samsung will be announcing at their Unpacked event on August the 11th. Yes, the date is leaked as well. What you're looking at is actually the official material posted by Leaks. Galaxy Buds 2 with active noise cancellation, the brand new smartwatches, the Flip, the Fold, and of course, the Galaxy S21 FE. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the Unpacked event happening on August 11th. Let me know what you think about the latest Galaxy S22 news. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Peace out.